Thought you'd fuss when you saw I had the same car you did.
Yeah, but your car is so it's white, has a body kit on it. It don't even it looks totally different.
He's talking about the last race.
Yeah,
Yeah, the last.
Even the last one wasn't it white and it had all sorts of
yeah,
stuff on it.
Yeah, I like white.
Racist.
Well, can't use this video. Thank you. There goes drag racing.
Man, I don't know what.
It must be cold tires. Something's awful. Something's awful in mine too.
I can't hit my brakes without spinning sideways.
Touch the wall, it hurts.
All up in the dirt.
I can't even draft it yet. Oh, dang it.
I drafted Junior.
Oh, Brian's getting, no, he's got the power.
He got the power, man.
I'm slowing up.
It's curving.
Yeah. Our little advantage, we have to slow up. You take it easy. Actually, you know, what I'll have to do is actually do the damn Brian. I apologize for that cheating ass in that damn shortcut. Yeah, I'll have to do record the replay. Yeah, I don't know how, because all it's going to show is my screen racing now that I think about it. That would be like, I'll still share it for us.
Damn, what is going on over there?
I'm trying not to hit you. Bad's back in the mix.
Took that one wide.
Bad's kind of hard. Damn, I'm in a bad position back here.
I got the top end you guys got.
Mine's got kudos popping on.
I'm not even in sixth gear yet. I don't even have, I'm
Yeah,
not even in sixth gear yet.
You need to buy a racing transmission.
Now I'm in sixth gear.
I don't even know if I can get them racing tires. Saw. Right on this field, Brian. I hope he goes through. Good pass. Wow. Good race, fellas. I'm going to lose, but it was a good race. Good race.
201. Well, I hung in there for that one. I finally grabbed I had fastest lap in a clean race. Yay!
Nice.